This John L. Scott, Salem property video is presented by jordanohrt. Wonderful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home in southeast Salem on a quiet street. This 2-story home has been freshly painted on the outside and has new laminate flooring downstairs. Great floor plan with a vaulted ceiling, living room, family room with a cozy gas fireplace, a spacious kitchen with lots of cabinet space and a pantry, and large bedrooms upstairs. Make your showing appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact jordanohrt at 503-585-0100.